Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of BingX and its incredible promotions. If you're looking for a way to enhance your trading experience, you've come to the right place. BingX is a leading crypto exchange that offers a variety of features tailored for both novice and experienced traders. What sets BingX apart is their fantastic promotional offers. By using the BingX promo, you can unlock exclusive benefits designed to maximize your trading potential. Imagine having access to lower trading fees, exclusive bonuses, and unique trading competitions that can turn a good trading experience into a great one. With the BingX promo, all of this becomes possible. Whether you're interested in spot trading, futures, or copy trading, BingX ensures there's something for everyone. But that's not all. By using my referral code CHUCHU when you sign up, you'll receive an additional boost to your experience. This special code not only helps you unlock those enticing promo benefits, but also ensures that you enjoy a more rewarding trading journey. You might be wondering how to redeem this offer. It's simple. Just visit the BingX website, create your account, and enter the referral code CHUCHU during registration. In just a few clicks, you'll be set up to take full advantage of everything BingX has to offer. So, whether you're a seasoned trader looking to diversify your portfolio or a newcomer eager to step into the world of cryptocurrency, BingX is a platform you don't want to miss out on. Remember, using the BingX promo along with the referral code CHUCHU allows you to reap the rewards and elevate your trading game. Thanks for tuning in to Crypto Kickstart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest crypto opportunities. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.